Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Sips By. This is my October teas. I can't believe it's October already. It's just flying by. So you do get a product card with all the teas. You normally get a variety of caffeine levels, at least I do. Your box would be different because you do take a profile, little quiz, and pick what kind of tea you like. So the first one in my box is Blueberry Green by Superfruit Tea from the Republic of Tea. Very cool. I bet that tastes good. It's green tea infused with blueberry. Yeah, that sounds pretty yummy. Ooh, also from Stash, I have chocolate mint tea. Whenever they send you individually bags, there's always 4. So there's 4 of those. Then they send reusable tea bags for your loose leaf tea. I do always get a variety of both. There's normally 2 of each. So here's one of the loose leaf teas, Unwind, Just Chill Out. So this is Relax. It has green rubios. I always say that wrong. You guys have tried to teach me, still don't got it. But yeah, it says it has holly basil. Huh. Interesting. By Snarky Tea. And then the last one is French Vanilla Black Tea by Churchill's Fine Teas. I like when they have the clear bags like that. So let's take a look at the card. So I have medium caffeine, caffeine free, low caffeine, and a medium caffeine. And they do put promo codes, so if you fall in love with one of the teas, you could go to the website and order more and have a discount off of that. So I will put my playlist below. I'll put a link to their website in case you want to order. I also have a couple links for the coldest water bottle. One's a giveaway link if you want to try to win a water bottle. It's insulated, it's awesome. There's also another link to their website along with a promo code in case you want to order anything. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.